Creating classes. There are two ways to create primary classes. You can create single classes, a quick option if you want to create a couple of classes for yourself. Or create multiple classes for your school in bulk via a CSV file upload. Option 1. Create a single class. As a teacher, log into your Oxford OWL account and select Manage Classes. Check if your class already exists. Adjust Filter to show My Class or All Classes. Use the year and level drop-down menus to filter your view. To create a class, select the Create Class button. Enter the year, level and class name. Then select the relevant product to add to your class. If you can't find the product you're looking for listed, this means you do not have an active subscription for the product in your library. Please contact the Oxford Customer Service team. Select Create. Select View Class to view to add or remove students and teachers to your class. To add students or teachers, select the Find or Create button. To add a new student or teacher, click the Create Users tab. For students, enter their name and a unique student ID. For teachers, enter their name and email address, then select Create. Please instruct the new teacher to visit oxfordowl.com.au/signin/email.html to set a password. You can add existing Oxford OWL account holders to a class using the Find Users option. Option 2. Upload multiple class lists. Select Upload Class List. Select Primary Template to download a CSV file template. Open the file and populate the template with the required information, including both student and teacher details. Mandatory fields are year, year level, first name and last name, student ID, email, for teachers only, and role. Ensure the email addresses in the email column are not hyperlinked, as this will cause an error. If emails are highlighted in blue, right-click the column G header or the individual cell and select Remove Hyperlink. Save the file to your computer and close the document. Ensure the file is saved in CSV format. Return to Oxford Digital and select Upload. Find the CSV file on your computer and upload it onto the system. A loading screen will appear. Once the document has uploaded successfully, the class list will appear with the information you have provided. Click Next to confirm. Toggle the Overwrite Existing Primary Student Passwords. Switch to green if you wish to reset the passwords of all students. Select Close and Send to complete the upload. The new classes will now appear in the Classes tab. To see all new classes, make sure the Show filter is set to show all classes. Assign a product to each class by clicking on the grey hazard symbol with an error message next to each class that is missing the product link. To select a product, click the blue arrow to expand and then select a specific title from the expanded list by clicking the grey arrow. Once selected, the arrow will turn green. Click Save when done. If you can't find the product you're looking for listed, this means you do not have an active subscription for the product in your library. Please contact the Oxford Customer Service team.